coming on a night when we walking with them green eyes. Back out in the rain and your ticky got a green eye. Stay back on your side, spinning mirrors in the green bus. Come around with any bus, that's what make the tank bus. I ain't lying when I say my brothers really go. Stepping down the night, get a beam to your spleen. Don't pull up with shit, don't give a fuck about the streets. We just spin up, then we need it. We let that fucking weed smoke. Don't get it twisted. Oh, it is a beautiful day out there in Mexico. Look at the skies and everything. What do with y'all, man? Y'all welcome back to another big bang video. You already know I'm about to start this stuff back up. You know what I'm saying? I done got this right here. You know what I'm saying? Yes, sir. A little camera mount for POV drive. So that's exactly what we finna do, bro. Finna meet up with a couple of my people, you feel me? And then we finna go slide this mug, boy. G Big 5.0 on the motherfucking side. Don't stop playing with your boy right there. You see it. We finna go slide this mug, though. I need to watch out for this, though, right here. I ain't gonna catch to you. I ain't got too much left of that, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because, you know, business has been attained with these mugs. But anything, bro. I ain't gonna keep y'all time too much. So I know what y'all want to see. Y'all want to see some slide. Y'all want to see some jab. Y'all want to see some exhaust. I don't know how you gonna see the exhaust from the front. I mean, you gonna see the other chargers. We've been over like 3 people. They all got chargers, bro. You know what I'm saying? Big 5.7s, you know what I'm saying? Well, little 5.7s. Well, this is a little 5.0, but big power coming out from a little 5.0. That big 5.7, little power, you know, I ain't gonna talk too much about it. But yeah, man, next time I see y'all, it's gonna be like this, hopefully. I think it should be like this. That's a good little view, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully, yeah. Y'all should rock with that, you know what I'm saying? And it's a Manny. It is a Manny, so we gonna see. You got that two of them right there. Go ahead, show me sub. Show me sub. Hey, go show me done. That mug sound good, though. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all already know we on all BS, too.
I hit that chest control for you.
You did? Let me go ahead and turn my though.
Leave it tilted or let it back.
Huh?
Leave it tilted or let the surface back.
It's up to you. Hey, I'll leave it tilted like that for real. I like how that is, but if you want to let it back, let it back.
Like this.
Yeah.
I mean, you know I want people to see me a little bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we on all BS today. We on all BS. I hope the camera able to. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's what they doing. On all BS today. This all in Mexico too. We killing it in Mexico today, baby. Killing roads in Mexico today. Stop playing. I'm gonna tilt the angle up a little bit just so y'all can see where I'm going a little bit. You feel me? Killing roads in Mexico. So we're gonna start off the first of the video, bro. I'm gonna have the top up. You feel me? This is drop top. You feel me? So I'm gonna have the top up. But then the rest of the video, you know what I'm saying, I might drop it down. And like you see it, listen to it to see if the wind, because I don't know if the wind gonna kill it, though. Because I know the windows down be killing it with the wind sometimes. But you feel me? Y'all gonna get something. You feel me? Y'all gonna get something. It is what it is, though. This mug is kind of heavy, though. I see how people be doing it. Y'all see all them lights on the dash. That light stay on. I done seen that in so many people's Mustangs and stuff. That light stay on. My check engine light, it's just a vacuum seal leak, so ain't really nothing. Just saying it's running a little lean because of vacuum seal leak on my intake, you feel me? Slide these blocks. Dang! I need to work on these roads. They need to work on these roads, my boy. For real, though. You hold it, you know, make sure this mug strapped on tight, you feel me? Because we gonna be doing something. Everybody looking at me weird, boy. Like, I got this on my head. Oh my God, yo, this mug get up, bro. Man, I don't care what nobody say though. These 5.0s is crazy. These 5.0s is wild. Like real talk. Don't know what it is though. Spin that mug then. Oh my God. Charger sounds so good though. Charger sounds so good. Little kid told me hit it, I had to. I used to be one of them. Oh, I just scraped the mess out my bumper. My back right brake pad, man. I need to change them. I already got the brakes in the car. I just need to change them. Change them mugs for real. Yeah, he's spinning it, bug. You know, I'm gonna do it too. Hit the rev limit a little bit right there. Ain't nothing too bad about it though. Are they playing football out there? Football in Mexico. Yeah, I don't know what y'all want to see. I don't know if y'all want to see more of the car or y'all want to see the road and driving. You feel me? Me, I don't know. Come on, that Escalade. Clearly, we good. Barking me if I was a Mustang, but man, hood with it. Don't come up out here. What's wrong with you? What? I being a cat? Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you know, we know how to drive around these bugs, you feel me? We know what we doing. We know how to drive around these bugs, you hear me? We know how we drive. Slide every corner in. That one kind of sucked for me. I ain't popped the clutch hard enough on that one. I ain't gonna kept to you. Oh, what? A little tunnel? We getting some gas. I might as well go ahead and get some gas for real. Go ahead, man. See what everybody doing around these parts. Everybody looking at me like, bro, what? They like, this boy got a camera on his head. Yeah, what up? I appreciate it. Is he getting gas or not? I most definitely am. Hey, I might as well caught a video sliding every corner in this motherfucker. You feel me? Oh yeah, all of that. All of that.
Now you just gotta get you training this beach.
Man. Man. Hold on. We back at it, you know what I'm saying? Had to take a little break. We back out here though. Back out here acting. You know what I'm saying? I'm number 3 in the line. I wish I really was at the back so I can get everybody on this mug, you feel me? But it is what it is. It is what it is. We on all action right now, I ain't gonna lie to you. We picked up my boy Naj. He got that Camaro SS up there. It's some sirs. All VAs on the street, bruh. All we doing, burning a little payment. Burning just a little bit of pavement, man. Out here in Mexico. Nah, man, y'all should tell me, like, what miles should I do to the Mustang, though, bro? What miles should I do to GG? You know what I'm saying? GG stand for Green Goblin. What miles should I do to it, though? Real talk. Y'all let me know in the comments and everything. So I'm trying to do some stuff. You know what I mean? Trying to do some stuff, you know what I mean? Before I get my cat, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go crazy when I get my cat. When I get the cat, it's gonna be wild. But you know what I'm saying? 5-0 gonna do for now. So, oh snap. Well, that was a big, what? I almost lost Gigi right there. Y'all wouldn't have been able to tell me what bars to do. I'd have been like, what bars y'all want me to do on the camera? For real. That was almost it. Yeah. I almost lost Gigi. Yeah, tell me what mods I should do on them. This mug running right now, though. Naj up her acting. Act up. Act up then. Yeah. Y'all don't understand how fast these cars is. Even that RT up there, bro. Like, dog, until you get into one of these whips, bro, you don't really understand how fast these mugs is moving. Like, these mugs really just push for no reason. You feel me? No, don't find the gear. Like, RTs ain't no slouch. I ain't never gonna hate on nobody that got an RT, bro. You wanna go buy an RT, go buy that shit. People be making me so mad, bro. Ah, man, I don't get no slow ass RT. You know what I'm saying? Bro, as long as you beating the average Ultima out here, bro, man, you feel me? Go buy that mug, man. You can't go wrong with a RT. You can't go wrong with a 4.6 Mustang. You ain't gotta go all the way and get a 5.0 if you can't afford it, bug. Don't go get that bug, you feel me? Get what you can afford. But just push it, you know what I'm saying? Don't go buy no Charger, you feel me? And then drive that mug like this Sentra right here. That lack nice over there, though. We got a nice little lack. You can even go buy a lack. Them lacks push. For real. Buy what you want, man. That's all I gotta say. Buy what you want, get what you want, bro. That's what I wanted. I wanted a manual 5.0, feel me? And it just happened to be in my favorite color, lime green. That's what I wanted, so I went and I got that mug. Didn't even know how to drive manual when I picked this mug up, for real. I ain't gonna lie to you. I did not know how to drive a manual. I learned manual in this mug. It's probably why I need a new clutch, for real. I learned manual in this mug. We out here in Mexico, though. Mexico City, Mexico. I gotta put this in, we are paid professionals on an enclosed course. Don't try this at home. If you do and you wreck your stuff, don't come blame me. feel me? If I ain't wreck mine, you wreck yours. Don't come blame me. Be like, I tried to do what you did, bro. You ain't me. You feel me? You might be better than me. You know what I'm saying? I might, nah. It's too damn hot to drop the top. People that got drop tops know that too. Oh, they pushing? Shit! Hello! Whoa, hello! Oh, they got up right there. That got up right there. Oh, that kinda scared me. And this mug got up. This mug just got up. Got up out of bed. What's my running? What's my gauges and everything looking? Oh, it's not even running that hot. It's hot as it usually do. Usually being on 140s. It's like 111 right now. I'm getting a call. Hold up. Boom! Just like that. That's gonna do it for this video, man. I forgot to do an outro, so this is after I started editing. I was like, bro, where's the outro at? Here it is, you know what I'm saying? I'm doing it real quick. But anyways, tell me how y'all like this video, man. Tell me if the camera angles, everything was good. It's my first POV drive, so I know it was kind of choppy and all over the place, bro. Let me learn first, all right? You know what I'm saying? This is the first one. But anyways, we're gonna be doing a lot more of these videos. We're gonna get lit. We're gonna spin that mug. And we're gonna do a lot more stuff. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to grow the channel, and while I'm not just driving GG, I'm trying to be driving people's cars. So I mean, if you follow me and you want me to spin your stuff, hey bro, we can really turn this in and push it to the limits. You know what I'm saying? Every YouTuber, yeah, to the limits, we can do something like that. But anyways, bro, tell me if y'all like it. Comment, subscribe. What should I do to GG next? You know what I'm saying? We're gonna mod it, we're gonna drive it, then we're gonna mod it, then we're gonna drive it, then we're gonna mod somebody else's stuff, then we're gonna drive that. And next thing you know, we're driving somebody else's Porsches and jumping around TRXs off a cliff. Why not? But anyways, man, catch y'all in the next one. Peace.